In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 freelancing jobs for beginners. And guys, one thing I love about this job is that anybody could actually learn these skills right here, and they could actually use these skills to start making some cool extra cash for themselves. But if you want to know the one that could actually make you the most amount of money, I'm going to advise you actually stick to the end of this video, because I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys the one that could actually make you tons of dollars online. So the first one that we're actually going to be taking a look at right here is actually branding service manager. So if you do not know what a branding service manager is, a branding service manager is just like a digital marketer. So their aim is to actually increase sales of a business via an online presence. So this skill set is just similar to that of a digital marketer. So if you actually have the skills, you could actually use the skills to improve any online business presence, either be using social media marketing, email marketing, or any other form of marketing strategy. So if I actually head over to fiverr.com right here and I actually type in branding service manager, so you guys are going to notice that a lot of people are actually going to pull up right here. So you guys can see right here that this guy is actually offering these services for just $120. So if I click on the profile right now and I scroll down a little bit, you guys are going to notice that these guys have over 309 reviews. This actually means that this guy have actually gotten over 300 plus customers on fiverr.com. So if you actually pull up my calculator right now and actually do the math right here, so we're actually going to be timesing $120 times 309. You guys are going to notice that this guy has actually made over $37,000 on fiverr.com, offering this simple service right here on fiverr.com. This is actually crazy. Like seriously, it's actually massive. And guys, this is just one of the freelancing jobs that I could actually start right here as a beginner. So guys, I still have more freelancing jobs that you guys could actually start as a beginner. So like I promised you earlier, I said I'm going to be showing with you the one that actually pays the most. So all I just want you to do, if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, please help me smash the subscribe. Like the video if you know you're getting any value from the video. So the next freelancing job that we're actually going to be looking at right here on our list is actually dog walker. So if you don't know, you could actually get paid as a dog walker, because all you need to do is to actually walk dog around. So there are some people out there, they're actually willing to pay you for you to actually just walk their pets around. It could actually be their dog, it could be any form of pet at all, which I'm going to say is one of the easiest freelancing jobs that anyone could actually start. So you don't actually need any form of experience to actually do this. So you could actually offer this kind of services on platform like fiverr.com, upwork.com. So if I actually head over to upwork.com, you guys are going to notice that this guy is actually offering this kind of gig right here for just $250. Guys, this is actually huge. You could actually make almost $250 right here from doing these services. You just imagine if you're able to get about 4 clients a day, you're actually going to be making close to like $1,000 every single day from just doing these services alone. And guys, you guess how much $1,000 is right here in Nigeria? Because with the increase in dollars right now, the best way for you to actually start making money online is for you to start earning in dollars. So if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button right here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, because that's what I actually do right here on my channel. I actually walk you through, guys, how you could actually make money online from different ways available right here on the internet. So the next freelancing job right here on our list is actually going to be travel planner. So there are actually some people out there right here that are actually willing to pay you and me for us to be able to do this kind of job, because literally, you know, some people out there are actually busy, so they do not have the time to actually plan and schedule their business. So they actually hire someone like you and me right here to actually do this kind of services for them. And one thing I love about this job is that most of the tasks are actually done on the phone, so you don't actually need any kind of experience or you need to go to anywhere to actually carry out this job. So if I head over to Fiverr right here and I actually type in travel planner, so you guys are going to notice that this guy is actually offering these skills for just $50, and this guy has gotten over 42 ratings on Fiverr, which means this guy has gotten over 42 people right here on Fiverr. So if you actually do the math right here, if you actually times $50 times 42, you guys are going to notice that this guy has made over $2,000 plus right here on Fiverr, literally offering this kind of skills right here on fiverr.com. So there's no excuse for you that you could not kind of do this kind of job, because this job are one of the easiest job that you could actually start right here as a beginner from anywhere you are in the world. So the next freelancing job right here on our list is actually product review. And guys, this is one of the best and one of the easiest job right here you could actually do as a freelancer. So you could actually do this job no matter where you are in the world, no matter the age, either small or big. You could actually do this job right here and start making some money for yourself. So all you actually need to do right here is to actually test out different kind of products. All you need to do is just give feedback on different kind of products. So let's just assume, for example, maybe a company just launched a product or a software. You could actually just like give your opinion about the software, and guys, you're actually going to be getting paid because there are a lot of companies out there that are willing to pay you and me huge amount of money for them to actually get your opinion about their product. So if I head over to fiverr.com right here and I type in product review, so you guys are going to notice that this girl is actually offering this kind of service for $80, and this guy's gotten over 38 review right here from these services. And if you actually do the math right here, you're going to notice that this guy's made over $2,500 right here from actually doing product review. All you need to do is to just write a review about a product or a services, and then you're actually getting paid. So this is actually going to be taking me up to the next freelance job that you could actually do, which is actually freelance writer. So you could actually offer this kind of services on platform like upwork.com, fiverr.com. So all you basically need to do is to actually write for people. So if you know you have writing skills, you could actually like write a blog post for people, and you could actually get paid for doing these little things right here on fiverr.com or even on upwork.com. So if I actually head over to fiverr.com right here and I actually type in freelance writer, so you are going to notice that a lot of gigs actually going to pull up, and you can see right here that a lot of people that are actually doing this services, they are offering the services on fiverr.com. So if I click on this person profile right here, you guys are going to notice that this person is actually offering these services for $50, and this person has actually gotten over 88 review, which means that this person has actually gotten over 88% on fiverr.com. So if you actually do the math right here, let's just times $50 times 88%. So this girl has actually made over $4,000 right here on fiverr.com for just offering freelance services like writing for people, writing blog posts, writing descriptions for people. Guys, these are little tools that you guys could do, because we all have our smartphone, we have the internet, we have our system. You could actually just learn this kind of skills right here and start making some money for yourself. Like I said, guys, if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, please, what are you waiting for? Like the video, smash the subscribe button, and also if you know you want to ask me any question, feel free to go to the comment section and I'm going to answering all your questions. So this is actually going to be taking me to the next freelancing job right here, which is one of the most paid job right here on the internet, which is actually website development. And guys, this skills is actually in high demand because everybody nowadays, every businesses nowadays can't not do without a website. So everybody has a website that he's managing to run his or her business. So this is a great opportunity for you right here to actually make some cool cash for yourself. So literally you could actually just develop a website from scratch and you actually get paid. So there are various tools you could actually use to develop website. You could actually use wix.com, you could use WordPress, you could use ChatGPT. So there are a lot of tools out there you could actually use to develop websites. So all you need to do is to actually just learn all the skills right here, and you could actually make money from actually doing this. So if I actually head over to fiverr.com and actually type in website development, you guys are going to notice that a lot of gigs out there are going to pump up, and you guys are going to notice that this guy is actually selling these skills for $150, and this guy has gotten over 902 reviews, which means this guy has gotten over 902 clients. So if you actually multiply $150 times 902, this means that this guy has actually made over 135,000 US dollars. Damn, like guys, this is actually crazy. This is the amount the guy is actually making on fiverr.com is actually crazy, because with this amount right here, you could actually buy a G-Wagon with this amount of money that the guy is actually making right here on fiverr.com as a website developer. So to tell you actually that there's actually money in you creating and designing a website for people, all you need to do is to actually just learn the right skills for you to be able to start making some money for yourself. So I know the question that might actually be going through your mind is, okay, well, can we actually learn the skills? So I'm actually going to be putting a link in the video description to some skills that you could actually learn right here. So you could actually just go check out the link in the video description. And also, guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button now, like the video. And also, like I said earlier, if you know you want to ask me anything, feel free to go to the comment section and drop your comment, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. So guys, if you know you want to learn the 3 hot skills that could actually make you $100 a day as a total beginner, I'm going to advise you click on the video right here popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys right here in the video.